B. B. This is the letter B. You say it. That's right, B. Capital B, little b. The letter B is the second letter in the English alphabet. Budget. 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 You say it. Budget. Yes, say it again. Budget. Once more. Budget. That's correct. Well done. A budget is a plan for how money will be earned and how money will be spent. Janet always makes a weekly budget so she knows how much money she can spend on food and other items. Say it again. Budget. Correct. Well done. Build. 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 You try it. Build. Yes, try it again. Build. Once more. Build. Yes, well done. To build something means to make something new by putting different parts together. Burton is building a birdhouse to hang in his backyard. Say it again. Build. That's correct. Business. 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 You try it. Business. Again, business. Once more. Business. Yes, that's right. Well done. Business has several meanings. Business is the buying and selling of products and services. The soap company does a lot of business with the kitchen company. A business is the company that makes and sells the products and services. The soap business on Main Street keeps growing and growing. And when you ask someone what their business is, you are asking them what kind of work they do. Mr. Johnson is in the soap business. Say it again. Business. Yes, that's correct. Busy. 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 You say it. Busy. Again, busy. Once more. Busy. That's correct. When you are busy, you have many things to do. Marianne is so busy, she doesn't have time to call Jim on the telephone. The store is very busy during the holiday shopping season. The babysitter likes to keep the children busy with projects, reading, and exercise. Say it again. Busy. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Congratulations! You did very well. I hope you've learned a lot of new words in English. Join us next time for more Hello Word Power. See you then.